welcome to my January favorites. So I've been excited to do this video for like ever because there are products that I've enjoyed in the month of January that I want to share with all you people. So I think I'm just going to start off in a random order because YOLO. So yes, I am going to just start off in a random order. I think the first thing that I've been loving, I think I have used this in all my tutorials. Yes, all my tutorials up till now. This is the Makeup Studio 4D Fall Slash Professional Makeup Mascara. I love this mascara, you guys. Like, it makes your lashes so swoosh, so lengthy, so voluminous, so awesome, so bomb.com that I don't think I have any complaints. Like, otherwise with mascaras I'm like, it's nice, but there's always that, there's always a but. But with this I have no ifs, no buts, only mascaras. It didn't make sense, but you know what I mean. If you are a Sunny Deol fan, you know what I mean. So moving on, this is a game changer, I think, for me when it comes to doing my eyebrows. I am in love with the L'Oreal Gel Intense 36-hour eyeliner in 02 Chic Brown. I think I've used this in almost all my tutorials again, and I have used this as an eyeliner and I use this to fill in my brows. So the deal with this is that like after I got my hair colored, like this color just seems to work really well for my eyebrows. And I don't have very thick eyebrows. I don't think I have very thin eyebrows also, but they are not obviously as on point as Deepika Padukone. So I need me some brow pomade, and because in Indian markets you don't have a brow pomade as such, like I've tried to find out everywhere, like in local stores, that I mean, I tried to find if they have a brow pomade, and they didn't. And I actually got this because I wanted to use it for a look that I wanted to wear at my brother's wedding. But I don't know, one day thought, how would it look on my eyebrows? And I guess from there has been no turning back. I've been using this every single time that I've colored my eyebrows, and I love this. My favorite highlight for January, and actually January and December and January, is because December y'all didn't know me. No, y'all do. So my favorite highlighter for January has been the Savannah Colors Mineral Blush. I like keeping products in their original cardboard boxes. I don't know, I feel when every time I use it, I still feel they're new and I'm excited to use them. Okay, I might be weird, but I like doing that. It's in 04 Mineral Blush. This is what it looks like. It is a gorgeous color. The highlighter. Like, I love the fact that it has this bronze and this champagne-y color. So I like swirling it and using this. Love. Complete utter love. Moving on. Then my favorite eyeshadow palette. This is an eyeshadow palette that I think if I had to travel or anything of that sort, and I think you can create so many looks with this palette. Again, I know there's a pattern here, but I'm not like sponsored or anything by Savannah Colors. This is their Makeup Academy Professional Artiste Collection in 02. This is what it looks like. There has not been one day hasn't gone by that I haven't used these eyeshadows. And I used to not really be into eyeshadows, but these are so pigmented, so buttery. They've actually changed my life, I feel, and I've gotten into eyeshadows, and these two colors right here, I think I've used them to put it in my crease in, yes, again, in almost all my tutorials, because I think I find them like the perfect crease color. These two, yes, thank you. These two crease colors. If you have seen any of my tutorials, you will know this. I love baking, so I love my C2P loose powder, which is a complete yellow ass powder. Like, this is so yellow that it can brighten any under eye, like any freaking under eye. So that is a favorite. And I have to include this. I also love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is something that is so nice, blends beautifully, and I think it definitely does keep me oil free for a very long period of time. So I've been loving this. So yes, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is my January favorites. I hope to be doing a monthly favorites every month because I love me some makeup. And yes, please comment, rate and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me if you do so. And yes, until I see you again, keep it bossy.